Here's exactly how to use Futures Martingale Trading Bots on Phemex. First, make sure that you're logged in your Phemex account. Then you go to Contract, select Trading Bots. Now that we're here in the Trading Bots tab, we scroll down and we select Futures Martingale. Now you can see a lot of different Futures Martingale Trading Bots that you can choose from. Before choosing your own bot, take a look at how much runtime does it have, total ROI, how many people are using it, and make your decision based on the analysis that you make. So we are gonna select the first one, click copy. Now the trading platform has opened to us and we can see on the right hand side all the parameters from the bot that we've selected. You have all the information here on the right side. Keep in mind that you can also edit the information. For example, max additions I want 8 times, and the last thing you need to do is to select your investment. I'm gonna select 99.6 USDT. Okay, everything is good for me. Let's type in create. Now we have the order confirmation. Check again if all the numbers are correct. They are correct, so confirm. We can scroll down and we click on Trading Bots where we see our current position. So yeah, that's it. Congratulations. Now you know exactly how to set up your own trading bot. If you want to stop the trading bot, you just click here, stop, and the trading bot will instantly stop working. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment and let us know which tutorial would you like to see in the future. Cheers, guys.